Assalamualaikum. Good morning to everyone. This is your English teacher from Rahmania School. So today we will going to know about semester 1. So take semester 1 all of you. Take semester 1 all of you. Unit 1. Semester 1 belongs to how many units, ma? 6 units. See here, semester 1 belongs to 6 units. So today we are going to know about unit 1. Means what is that unit? The absent-minded scientist. Okay. Here is the person who is absent-minded, but he was a scientist. About him we are going to know. Who is the scientist in these two persons? Let we know. Okay, see now here my granddaughter Kusumi. Whose granddaughter? Author's granddaughter, name Kusumi, means Potri, like that. Okay, was not fond of my best friend, means she did not like the scientist best friend. Okay, Neil Moni at all. Scientist best friend name, what is his best friend name? Scientist best friend. The scientist which was absent-minded, means he used to forget. Okay, a person is a scientist, he was absent-minded. So his granddaughter did not like the friend of scientist friend Neil Moni. Okay, one day she asked Dadu. What she asked? Dadu, why are you such good friends with Uncle Neil Moni? Why you are the good friend with Neil Moni? She asked to her grandfather. He is such an absent-minded man and untidy too. How was that Neil Moni? Neil Moni was he is the scientist. He is the scientist. He was an absent-minded person, and grandfather and granddaughter they were talking about Neil Moni. How was Neil Moni? Neil Moni was absent-minded man, and he was untidy too. He was not neat. Okay, those are the signs of an intelligent man, I replied. What he replied? Those are the साइंस यानी कि सिंबल्स यानी कि पहचान है वो इंटेलिजेंट मैन. एक इंटेलिजेंट मैन की पहचान है वो सब. हु रिप्लाइड? द ऑथर. ही रिप्लाइड टू हिज ग्रैंडडॉटर. Kusumi complained that Neil Moni's habit of misplacing everything and blaming others for irked her the most. What Kusumi complained? Kusumi complained about Neil Moni's habit. How he was Neil Moni? Neil Moni was Neil Moni's habit. About one habit. What is his habit? He was misplacing everything. Means चीजें घुमा देते हैं. And blaming others. What he was doing for this? He was blaming others. Okay, and others for it. He was misplacing everything. For that he was blaming others. That habit was irritate me most. Who said this? Granddaughter said to grandfather. He throws a fit and turns his house upside down, she said, annoyed. What he used to do? He used to he used to throw here and there, and he used to turn his house up and down. That was made me irritate. That habit was made me irritate, she said. He is all the more likable during one of his fits, I said, trying to smile. How he was? He was more likable. Means he liked more during of his fits. whatever it may be, he needed to be fit himself. He was more likable to misplace the things here and there. He said in a trying to smile way. He did not want to smile, but in a trying to smile way. Zabardasti ki hasi, like that. There was a commotion. Commotion means a noise of disturbance, a statement which is confused. The word with the sentence which was said, that was confused. Okay, there was a confusion at his house yesterday. Okay, what was happened yesterday? There was a confusion in his house yesterday. Whose house? Nilmoni's house. Do you know what happened? Grandfather is asking to granddaughter, do you know what happened yesterday? Okay, she asked. Still unconvinced. Unconvinced means can be trusted. She asked, still can we trust this Nilmoni's of means can we trust him of Nilmoni's likability? Granddaughter is telling to grandfather, can we still trust Nilmoni's likability? How he about his likability? Can we trust? I shook my head. What he did? He shook his head. Let's ask Uncle Bindu, she added. Let us ask Uncle Bindu. Who said this? Granddaughter asked to the grandfather. Now see, Bindu told us that Nilmoni had lost his pen the other day. What the Bindu told? Bindu told grandfather and granddaughter, दोनों को बोल दिया ना. What Bindu told? That Nilmoni had lost his pen the other day. The other day he had lost his pen. So he made everyone search for it in every nook and corner of the house. He had lost, means he had lost his pen. Who lost? Nilmoni lost his pen. So to search, he made everyone to search his pen. He had lost every corner of the house and every nook. Okay, they asked Madhu Babu and even the washerman and the barber about the missing pen. So they asked Madhu Babu also. A person name is Madhu. So they asked Madhu Babu and even the washerman, for whom we are calling washerman, a person those who is washing a clothes. So they asked Madhu Babu and washerman and the barber. For what they asked? They asked about the missing pen. But none had seen it. But no one had seen Nilmoni's lost pen. Bidhu continued finally, Nilmoni Babu's nephew. Bidhu, who is Bidhu? She continued finally, Nilmoni Babu's nephew. Okay, pointed out with a grin, means say something in answer in angry, means she answered but in an angry way. What? Uncle, the pen is stuck behind your ear. Where the pen? The pen was stuck behind his ear. कान के पीछे था उसका पेन. Okay, to this Nilmoni Babu retorted. So Nilmoni Babu, by hearing this, the pen was stuck behind his ear. He said, I know this, in an angry way. He said, I know, you fool, you are a fool. I am not looking for this one. I know that my pen is stuck behind my ear. I know you are a fool. I am not searching. I am not looking for this one. At this point, Nilmoni Babu's wife came and said, at this point means at that time, Nilmoni's Babu came and said, why are you fussing? Means so unnecessary over one pen. means why are you showing unnecessary interest over one pen? यानी कि क्यों इतना इंटरेस्ट दिखा रहे आप एक पेन के लिए? There are lots of those to be had at the grocers. Lots of pens we can able to have in the grocers. Who said this? Nilmoni's wife, Nilmoni Babu's wife. Nilmoni Babu shot back in irritation. How he was? He was in a irritation mood. You can't understand, it was a gift from someone. It's not a one pen, common pen we can purchase from the grocer's shop. No, it's a gift from someone. Someone has gifted me. It is a gift which is more important for me, he said. Who said? Nilmoni Babu. Well, in that case, you will just have to wait till someone gives you another one, she said tartly and left the room. So after hearing this, wow, what Nilmoni's wife said? In that case, ऐसा है. So you have to wait. You will just have to wait. आपको इंतजार करना पड़ेगा. Someone gives you another one. When someone gives you another pen, till then you have to wait, she said tartly, means in a way that is quickly. She said this and left the room quickly. I do not need gifts. Who said this? Nilmoni. I have enough money to buy one for myself, he yelled after her. Means he said in a loud voice after her, I don't need a gift, I have lot of money, he said. He told his servant Bhutto to get him a pen from the grocers. What he told Nilmoni? Nilmoni told to his servant to get a pen from the grocers. But this time he could not find his wallet. What he said? To get a pen for him. So for that he to purchase a pen he needed money. So for money's sake he searched his wallet, but he did not find his wallet. Where is my wallet? He issued a loud scream. What is mean by wallet? Wallet means boys or men used to keep money in that. Okay, so that wallet he had misplaced. So he was shouting, where is my wallet? He issued a loud scream, means loud voice, बड़ी सी आवाज में. He shouted in a loud voice. It is in your shirt pocket, sir, replied Bhutto. Where is the wallet? It is in your shirt pocket, sir. Who replied this? Bhutto. Nilmoni Babu thundered. Why did not you tell me earlier? He was thundered. And what he said to his servant? Why did not you tell me earlier? पहले क्यों नहीं बोले? He got furious when he found no money in his wallet. Okay, furious means he got full of anger when he opened his wallet and he did not found their money. He summoned, means he ordered the washerman and thundered his accusation at him. He ordered the washerman and what he did, he complained the washerman that accusation means a charge that someone has done illegal. What is mean by accusation? A charge that someone has done illegal. गुनाह करे बोलकर चार्ज लगा दिए. Like that he told to the washerman. Then he called Usman the tailor, who thundered at him instead. How dare you accuse me of theft? After that, for whom he called Nilmoni, he called the Usman. Who he was a tailor. Okay, instead of washerman, he thundered at the tailor. How dare you accuse me of theft? how dare you theft of from my wallet, he said. Who said this? Neil Moore. So what happened? What he said? He called the washerman and he charged washerman that he had done something illegal. After that he called the Usman. He was a tailor and he thundered instead of him, means a person who are charged with a crime, यानी कि एक इंसान जिसको चार्ज कर देते हैं क्राइम के लिए. So he charged washerman and a tailor. Up to here we will end our class. Inshallah we will meet in the next meeting.